Hey, my friends, welcome. In this lecture, we are also going to create a loading spinner for the login screen. And this will basically serve to the user that, hey, your account is being logged in and you have to wait till we log you in. Okay. Now to do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and then the auth and then the login underscore screen. And we can use Ctrl and B to make this wide. And the first step is to create a variable, and the variable is going to store a value which is going to be either a true or a false value. So we can just go ahead and specify it's going to be a type of bool, and we can call this is loading underscore is loading. And default, we can set this to false to tell it is currently not loading. And immediately the user clicks on the login, we want to trigger this function called login users. And so we want to set the state to core the underscore is loading and set it to true. Okay, great. And if the user has refused to fill in these fields, then also we want to set state and is loading, sorry, underscore is loading to remain at force. Okay, seems good. Seems cool. And we can try this out. We can try this out. First of all, use Ctrl and S to save. And really, we do not need to stop it after logging in, since it is gonna immediately take us to this new route called main screen. Or you can just use the set state after, or maybe say that when complete, but really no need because it has already took you to the next screen. Or probably you can just do this after the login users. Okay. And where do we have that button? Okay, we have this test over here, and we can check is loading is equal to true. We want to show a circular progress indicator, and within the circular progress indicator, it has a property known as color, and it also do have a property known as background color, as you know. And this, okay, with this loading is set to true. We want to show this, and else the we want to show the login. And I have an account known as mac@gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMAC. Login, and you can see, and also we can hide our password, right? And this should take us to the home screen. Okay, great. And also we can hide our password within the test form field. It has a property known as obscured test, and we can set this to true. I think, right? Default it is set to